Corresponding angle axiom. We have two lines M and N, and then we have a line L that intersects these two lines at points P and Q. We need to show a relation between the angles 1 and 2, which are the corresponding angles. The rest of the pair of corresponding angles, the result will be same. Now the corresponding angle axiom 1 states that if a transversal intersects, transversal here is L, intersects two parallel lines which are M and N, then each pair of corresponding angles is equal. So the corresponding angles here are 1 and 2. So according to the axiom, if we have the two parallel lines M and N and there is a transversal L that intersects, so accordingly to the axiom we can say is that angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Now we cannot really prove it, but we can visualize this in the given figure. So we have the angle 1 here and then we have the angle 2. What we can notice is that these two angles perfectly overlap each other. So what we can say is that the axiom 1 holds true. That is, angle 1, the corresponding angles are equal if two lines are parallel and there is a transversal intersecting it. Now there is a corresponding angle axiom 2, which is exactly the opposite of 1. According to it, if there are two angles, the two corresponding angles, if they are equal, then we can say is that the two lines are parallel. So it says that if a transversal intersects two lines such that a pair of corresponding angles is equal, then the two lines are parallel to one another. So in this case, it is already given that angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Then this concludes that line M is parallel to N. So this is exactly in opposite to axiom 1, and these two axioms will be used in order to prove other important theorems.